In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Cash App referral bonus. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open the app, go to the top right and select on your profile picture. Afterwards, you will see this button that says invite friends. So go ahead and press on it. And then from there, you're able to invite one of your friends and it's automatically going to open up your contacts list. You could also search for someone using their name, phone number, or email. But anyways, all you need to do is you need to click on a contact that you want to invite over onto Cash App. Keep in mind that your friend must be a brand new Cash App user. They must use your specific referral code during sign up and they must send a payment of at least $5 within the time limit. Both accounts must also be in good standing. So you can go ahead and press on someone right over here, and then it is going to send them a message over here with your link and more importantly, your referral code. So your referral code is going to be this right over here. So it's going to appear. So remember, make sure that they input this referral code in order for you to actually get the referral bonus. It's really important that they do that. And also, they're able to do it just by pressing on the link that you do send them. So that is another thing that you could do as well. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.